What's goody? Really quick, I'm going to show you how Rubik's Cube notations work if you guys don't already know. So when learning Rubik's Cube notations, some of the letters in the algorithm will have nothing after it and some letters will have an apostrophe. If a letter has nothing after it, it basically means you turn clockwise like this. And if it has an apostrophe after the letter, you want to turn it counterclockwise. So for example, if I say like R without an apostrophe after it would be clockwise like this, and R stands for the right side, so we would turn like this. And then if we have R prime, which is what you call it with the apostrophe after the R, you call it prime, it'd be counterclockwise like that. And then this would be L for left, and because there's nothing after, it'd be clockwise. L prime would be counterclockwise like that. Next we have U, which would be like this for the upper layer, and then we have U prime, which is counterclockwise, just like that. Next we have D for the bottom or down layer, so D would be like this, counter or clockwise, and then we have D prime, which would be counterclockwise. Next we have M prime, which the M stands for middle layer, so it'd be like this, and then we have M, which would be this way. Next we have S, which basically is this turn right here on this layer, like that. And then we have S prime, which is the same thing but the other direction. Next we have X, which is basically when you turn the whole cube. So this right here would be a X prime, and then doing this would be a X. Then we have a lowercase r, which would be like this, where you turn two layers to the right clockwise like this. And then we have lowercase r prime, which is the opposite of that. Then we also have lowercase f, which would be where you turn two layers like this on the face side, like that, to the right clockwise. And then we have lowercase f prime, which is like that. Now for capital F, or F would be like this, where you turn the face clockwise. And then we have f prime, which is counterclockwise when you turn the face like this. Next we have B, which is for the back layer. So this right here, if you can see, would be B, where it's turning clockwise like that. And then we have B prime, which is basically the other way like that. So you turn the back. Now nobody really uses this one, but I guess you could just call it lowercase l. So you turn it clockwise like this with the left layers, two layers at once. And then we have lowercase l prime. But basically those are all the notations that you need to know to like learn algorithms and stuff. I highly recommend learning these because it will help you when learning PLL, OLL, and stuff like that. Really any algorithm. But yeah.